Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. So, Rai X, I believe the name is pronounced like that, Rai X, and this song is called Let You Go. So, a beautiful song, and yeah, there's a kind of different rhythm here going on with the downs, and if you want to choose the strumming, you can go with that. But anyway, I'm going to give you this one, and it goes in the same way through the entire song. So first we need to look at the chords. No need for any cape on this one. So we have 4 chords, and we will start with C. Alright, so that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Next chord will be D. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Next is E minor. So that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. And the final chord will be a D chord but with an F sharp in the bass. So that is 2nd on E, muted or open A. So I mute with my index finger, which I'm using for the 2nd fret E string. I just leaned on top of the A, or I can just go with the open A. It's up to you. Then open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and open E. So those are the chords. So let's go with kind of the real way of playing this, because that is what's going on and what you hear from the song. It's only downs. Okay, so it will be in 1 chord progression through the entire song. So you will play 10 downs for C. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then a switch to D just 1 time, real fast. And then comes the E minor for 10 downs. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then switch back to D 1 time only. And then comes the D with F sharp in the bass for 10 downs. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then you land on D again 1 time. And then you're gonna play C for 10 downs. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And finally land on D 1 time. And that is how you play the song here. So to repeat here, I'm gonna play along and speak meanwhile. So let's start from the beginning. 10 downs on C. D, E minor, D, D, F, D, C, D, and next round C. And that is how it goes through the entire song. All right. Then we can have this alternative way of playing it. We can use a strumming pattern that will work. It's not used for this song in any means, because this is not a guitar song. So yeah, you can use this one. It will fit perfectly if you choose to play the strumming. So if you choose to play the strumming, then you will only need C to E minor to this D, F chord and back to C. So those are the shifts you need for strumming. So you're gonna play with the C first, that's the first chord, and we're gonna look at the strumming pattern. So it will be down, up, clap, down, up. So that is 1 round. So down, up, clap, down, up. Down, up, clap, down, up, clap, down, up, clap, down, up, clap. So that is the strumming. Down, up, clap, down, up. So for the 4 chords I mentioned, C, E minor, D, F, and back to C, you're gonna play 4 strumming rounds for each chord. So with that said, we can go a couple of rounds of this one. So C. E minor, D F, sorry, and back to C, and that will be one round. So next round, C, E minor, G F, and C. Alright, so that is how you can handle the RyX song called Let You Go with the strumming. So good luck with this one, guys. Hope that was helpful, and see you soon. Don't forget, play tuned.